Good morning everyone. In today's video I will be taking you all with me to a mango farm which is called Promised Land Farm. I'm super excited to be sharing this vlog with you all. So let's go.
Jesus Christ. I want to speak on the day of the coming of Christ. That day, it's called in Scripture. Now, when you woke up this morning, I want to ask you what's disciples and the 500 of his followers. But Jesus didn't.
We're already at the farm and I can't wait to show you this beautiful small farm. They have fresh mangoes, they have fresh honey, they have chutneys, they have goats. It's so cute over here, so I'm excited to show you all. Let's go. That's fresh honey.
When they do these, that's a sprout. So it'll probably get up about this big.
So this is a mango sprout?
That's a sprout, yeah. And so then what they'll do is they'll take a cutting and then graft it right to it.
Oh, okay.
So all of these trees have a scar going around the base.
Yeah.
Right.
You got a lot of snakes here?
The black ones.
Like racers?
No, the little rat snakes.
Ah, but you don't get the venomous ones.
No, we've had no venomous snakes and very small rat population.
So I just got the goat treats or goat food. They just have it for $1 and I'm excited to feed the goats. Let's do it. So we have to kind of be very alert because there are bees all over here. That's why we're not taking baby Noah in all those other parts, but I would also like to show you some more animals. That's a turkey. Oh. And that's the whole shop area where they sell all the organic mangoes and chutneys, butter, jam, everything mango. And honey. Promised Land Mangoes, Pine Island in Florida. I highly recommend you all to visit this place if you are one of those who loves organic things, organic food and mangoes and stuff like that.
You want to buy some?